So I'd like to chat a little bit here about why I practice Tai Chi and a little bit about how I practice Tai Chi. How I use Tai Chi to help me work on what it is that I want to develop at. So the typical way in which I use Tai Chi is as a means of exploring and integrating into the body the types of frequencies and meditative skill sets I may have been working that day or in whatever the particular period is. Now, an aspect of the Tai Chi that's very helpful is the multitude of what some might call integration functions or harmonization patterns. And I find that in working this type of release, where the physical body is a big part of the release function, it helps to take me more fully and deeper into the energies that I've been exploring in meditation. And when I talk about the energies, these could be deep qualities of universal type connections, dissolutions of perspectives of self, and the list would go on and on and on. So it also allows for a very deep opening, massaging deep in the body, and it allows me to really feel and perceive how these different qualities I'm working with reticulate through the body. Because often it's easy for those energetic shifts to be quite potent mentally, often astrally as well, but then a gap can form when it comes to how they affect us through the physical. And so this is something that I find quite fascinating. I can work with a different energy or a different being, and it will reshape entirely how the body moves when doing the form, or just exploring the movement in general. Now, because I've been doing Tai Chi type practices for so long and internal martial arts practices for such a long time, I have a fairly clear barometer of a difference between point A and point B, between one energy and how it affects me and another. So this is one of the values in having a daily type practice, is clear differentiation between one thing and another, one energy and another, and how it reticulates through the physical body. Now there's more to be said here, but I'm gonna let you go. Hope you enjoyed this. Thanks for your time. Have fun, practice, bye.